Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 8. So we'll see in that question number 4 of exercise 13.4. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD where AD is 4 cm, BC is 5.5 cm, CD is 4 cm, angle C is 90 and angle D is 85. So first thing what you have to do, we have to draw a rough sketch. So now in this one, suppose we are taking this AD as 4 centimeter. So now here the angles are given, angle C and angle D. So it's not easy to construct this one. So we'll start with, because we have here C and D. So we can start with the CD. So if we take CD, so that will be easy to construct. So we'll take CD as 4 centimeter. So this is just a rough sketch. Angle C is 90, so this will be 90. Angle D is 85, so this will be 85. So now later on, BC is given, that is 5.5. You will take 5.5 on the compass and you will cut this one. So this will be 5.5. And then AD, that is 4 centimeter. So from here to here, again with the help of the compass, you will cut it over here. And then you are going to, now this is the point of intersection. For this one, this is the point. So you are going to join this AB. So now let us see the actual construction. So this is not with the actual measurements, but it should look something like this. So now I'll show you how to do this one. We'll take now CD as 4 centimeter. You can take on the other scale 4 centimeter. So now first thing, now you know that we will construct this. This is given as, angle C is given as 90 degree. To construct this and 90 degree, we will take a suitable radius. So whatever the distance we take for this one, the same thing you'll cut it into 2. So then after cutting it into 2, so by taking this as the center, you will draw an arc. Again, now taking this arc, this as the center, you are going to draw another arc. So this is the point of intersection. So now you are going to connect this one, join B and C. So this you will label as B and later on you will join it. So this is exactly 90 degree. So after doing this construction, now for this one, for D, it's given as 85. So this is not easy to construct. So what will you do? With the help of your protractor, this is your protractor. So this line you are going to keep it here and you will see this is 90 degree. It will be somewhere over here, slightly inside of 90 degree. That is going to be 85 and you are going to draw this line over here. So now what will you do? You will take the, what is given here, BC is given as 5.5. You will take your compass, you will take distance as 5.5 and from here you are going to cut this line. So this is going to be, this line is going to be 5.5. Again now here AD is given as 4 centimeter. So now what will you do here? From here D, you will take again 4 centimeter on your compass and you will, from here you are going to cut this line and then this is 4 centimeter. So now for this one, this is already line is there. So this is the point of intersection. For this one, this is the point of intersection. Later on, you will join AB. So your construction should be like this. So these are the steps given. You can write in your own words. So this is CD is 4 centimeter, construct 90 degree from C, taking 5.5 centimeters radius from C, draw an arc, take 85 degree from D, taking 4 centimeters radius from D, draw an arc, joint AB, therefore ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Now the next one, construct a quadrilateral SM and D, where SM is 5 centimeter, MN is 4.3 centimeter, and D is 4.5 centimeter, angle M is 60 degree, and angle N is 125 degree. So now this is the rough sketch for this one. So here what are we going to do? One of the easy ways, you have to look at the angles. Now this is M and this is angle N. So we will see for MN. So where is MN? This is there. So that we'll consider this as the base and not SM. So then it becomes easier to construct. So we'll start with this MN. So now later on we'll take 60 degree. I'll show you how to do that by constructing. This is just a rough sketch and you will draw a line. Then this is, you have SM is 5. So this SM is 5. So with the help of compass, you will draw an arc over here. So that will be 5 centimeter. For this one from N, so this ND, that is 4.5. And later on you are going to join this one. I'll show you the exact construction. Now these are the steps of construction. So before this, again, this is not the actual one. The measurements are not the actual one, but it should look somewhat like this. So you can draw with the actual measurements. So now we will start with MN, that is 4.3. So now later on we want 60 degree M. Angle M is 60 degree, but for that we cannot do it directly. So we are going to construct 90 degree. To how to construct 90 degree? From this point M, take a suitable radius and draw an arc. So the same, whatever the measurement you have taken, you will cut this into two parts, this two arc. So now you will take this arc as this one, point as the center, and you will draw one arc. Again, you will take this one as the center and you will draw another arc. This is the point of intersection, and then you're going to join this one. So this is 90 degree. So here, whatever is there, now see here, this is 90 degree. So whatever means, this is 90. So inside all angles are less than 90 and this outside are more than 90. So here exactly the first arc is going to be 60 degree and this one is going to be 120. This is 120, 60 and this is 90. So here what will you do? We already have here 60 degrees. So you are going to, again from here, you will take these 2 points. 60 already we got here, sorry. So what will you do? Now you will take 5 centimeter from here. So you will take 5 centimeter and you will cut this one because SM is given as 5 centimeter and cut over here. So this is already 60. We are going to take it, draw a line and we are going to cut it over here. Then now for this N as 125. So what will you do here? Again, directly here, we cannot construct for 120. It's easy to construct because here whenever we have this will be 90 and this is outside, means this point is going to be, this will be 120 and this is going to be 60, but this is 125. So it's not easy to construct 125. So you will take, with your help of protractor, you will take 125 and then you're going to draw one line. Later on, what will you do? Because now here ND is given as 4.5. So you will take 4.5 on a compass and from keeping the one point over here, you are going to cut this over here. So now this is the point of intersection. So here we had taken this as 5. So this is the point of it. So now what will you do? You will join this S and D. So SM and D is that is what they have asked, construct a quadrilateral SM and D. So this is SM and D. So this is the quadrilateral. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.